Not sure how to use your Mitsubishi AC Remote? Model number RH18A. In this video, we'll explain what each button does. Welcome to Flicky Facts. The on-off button powers your Mitsubishi AC. Press it once to turn on the AC using the last saved mode and temperature. Press it again to turn it off, stopping all functions immediately. The up and down buttons let you control how cool or warm your room feels. Press up arrow to raise the temperature, or down arrow to lower it, 1 degree at a time. Need more breeze? Tap the fan button to control how strong the airflow feels. Choose from low, medium, high, or auto, and enjoy the perfect breeze your way. Econo Cool is an energy-saving mode that adjusts the airflow direction and temperature automatically to maintain comfort with minimal power consumption. Press the mode button to cycle through different modes depending on your need. Cool mode, dry mode, fan mode, heat mode, auto mode. Cool mode cools the room to your desired temperature. Perfect for hot days when you need quick relief. Dry mode reduces humidity without overcooling. Great during monsoon or sticky weather. Fan mode blows air without cooling. Ideal for ventilation or mild days. Heat mode. It warms up the room by blowing hot air, perfect for chilly winter days. Auto mode. The AC automatically selects the best mode, cooling, fan, or heating, based on room temperature. Press the vane button to adjust the direction of the horizontal airflow. Each press changes the vane angle or activates automatic swing mode for wide and even air circulation. Used to confirm and save your selected settings, such as clock, timer, or scheduled operations. Press after adjusting values to finalize the setup. Navigation arrows help you scroll through settings and adjust values. Use them to set the timer, change modes, or fine-tune temperature and fan options. If your Mitsubishi AC Remote isn't working properly, the reset button can restore it to factory settings. Press the reset button to reboot the remote control. This action clears temporary errors or glitches and restores the remote to normal operation. Press and hold the temperature down arrow button and the mode button together for about 3 to 5 seconds. The temperature display will switch between degrees Celsius and degrees Fahrenheit. Now you know what every button on your Mitsubishi AC Remote does. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update.